Hey guys, today I'm going to be making custard using Bird's original flavored custard powder. So let's get started. So what I'll be using today is 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of Bird's custard powder. So first what we're going to do is we're going to add our custard powder into our pot. And we're also going to add our sugar. And now we're going to mix it, and while we mix it, I'm going to slowly add my milk. So after we have added all of our milk, we're going to turn our stove on medium heat, and we're going to keep stirring until it becomes nice and creamy and thick. Once the custard has thickened, you can turn off your stove because it is ready to serve. So here I have prepared my custard with some cake, some fruits, and whipped cream. You can prepare it however you like. This is just how I like to prepare it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.